What's up, everyone? Welcome to Forex Success. Okay, I'm trading GBP USD right now. That's the British pounds US dollar. So, as you can see on my trade, guys, this morning we just took about 80 pips right here. You can see that right here. Just took 80 pips on GBP USD as well as Euro USD. So if you just stick with me, I'm going to show you how I actually took this trade so you can actually learn from it and just get some ideas on price action that can help you to be more profitable as a trader. You see the Euro USD as well. We took out 74 pips on Euro USD just this morning. So actually I did this analysis this morning for the Euro USD and for the GBP USD. So I will just focus more on GBP USD. So let's see how we can learn price action, guys. So I did this analysis around 3 a.m. today. 3 a.m. today. Why? A lot of you must have been sleeping, but we were just busy observing and trying to do the top-down analysis to see what's going on the market. So, guys, firstly, what I do on analyzing the pair, guys, for now, Deriv has been really manipulating the market for real. Though I don't know about you how it has been for you, but for me personally, Deriv has been quite manipulating the market for real. So I just better focus on my currency pairs to actually, because we make money from both sides. So for now, since Deriv has been manipulating, I just decided to put in more effort on the currency side and start trading. So guys, let's just get down to business. Firstly, if I want to do an analysis on a pair, first thing I do, I go to the daily time frame. First, I go to the daily time frame, observe what's happening in general on the market. So from there, I'll be able to get an idea of what is going to happen on smaller time frame, like the 4-hour and 1-hour time frame. So from the daily time frame, guys, I can see clearly that this is a downtrend. We're having a downtrend market, and the market hit this previous support level, which I marked with a red line, then broke it, then went up for a retest. So every normal thing that this market is supposed to do is come back down at least to this previous support level, which is marked red. So from this daily analysis, guys, we are able to see the total direction of the market. That is where the market might go to. So then what we do next, we just move to the 4-hour time frame, which the major analysis is going to be done. So if you can see, I already did my analysis and I'll show you the reason why I took this trade. So guys, this is 4-hour time frame, the same trend line indicating that the market is on a downtrend, and you can see this point, you can see this level where price reacted to right there. So after breaking the level, had a sell. I took this trade earlier, but it has been cancelled. You can see this one I also took. So the market came down to the downside, moved to the upside again, and then we still had this chart pattern. So this market pattern gave me a confirmation for a sell. Exactly, this market pattern gave me a confirmation for this sell that I took. What is this, guys? This is a descending triangle. A descending triangle, you can find a descending triangle at the top of an uptrend or at the continuation of a downtrend. So it either indicates an end of an uptrend or a continuation of a downtrend, because as you can see, the buyer's power are reducing, giving us lower highs move on this market. So buyer powers are reducing, as you can see. So the sellers are taking charge of the market. So all we are expecting is I will get a breakdown from this. Let me just give this in a form of arrow. Okay, what we're expecting is that we'll get a break of this candle to this final take profit level. Exactly. So that's our expectation on this market, guys. So if you check down from the analysis, so let me take it back to 1-hour time frame. So this is the 1 hour time frame which I took today. which hits the take profit. So now the market is moving up back for a retest. So guys, at this point, I'm already looking for a sell to take it back down to the final take profit level, which is about 100 pips. We already took 80 pips earlier, so we're looking to take another 100 pips on this trade. Yeah, so it's two things are involved right here. We can see this price to move to the previous resistance level, which the market actually broke, then come down all the way down to this downside. But if that doesn't happen, we're going to be expecting that retest to end right here, and then the price continue to move to the downside, exactly what we're expecting. So the first prediction is that the market will hit right there at the previous support level, then move straight to the downside. Exactly. So if that doesn't happen, then we'll be expecting a retest, the retest to end right where it is right now, and then price move to the downside. So that's basically what I'm expecting of this market. Yeah, so that's just what we're expecting from this market on GBP USD. Guys, always remember this: anytime you see this this descending triangle, it is a very powerful chart pattern. It's a very powerful chart pattern. Like, it works really well. So anytime you see this descending triangle, always take advantage of it to make yourself some good cash, you know. So I'll just simply, if you are currently watching this video, you can as well take advantage of this GBP USD trade, so you can make good profit for yourself as well. So, and something else I also do in trading currency pairs, I check the analysis of the DXY, that is the US dollar index, to see what's going on right there, so I can be able to understand how powerful the US dollar is, since I'm trading with USD, that's GBP USD. So this is the first trade I took on GBP on USD index, that is US dollar index. So it actually hit the profit, take profit level, and then we moved on. So right now, as you can see, GBP US dollar index, it's going up, that is, it's going bullish, so which indicates a stronger move for the US dollar. That is, the US dollar is actually getting the power right here over GBP USD. So if US dollar index is gonna go up, then we'll be expecting a sell for GBP USD, then a buy for USD CAD. So that's just basically how it is. If your analysis for USD currency index states that US dollar is gonna USD index is gonna go up, then you should be expecting a sell for GBP USD. So for my analysis that I took this morning from this GBP from this US dollar index right here, seeing the market came down to this strong support level, support zone, I predicted that the market is gonna go back up. This USD index is gonna go back to the upside. So those are more confirmations for me to take this GBP USD trade, that it's gonna sell. Why? Because it's simply because US dollar is rising. It definitely means that GBP USD will be selling. Since US dollar is rising, US dollar index is rising, GBP USD is gonna be selling. Right here, you can see that, guys. So I'll just show you lastly the other trade I took, which is GBP JPY. So GBP JPY was the final trade I also took. So I caught about 100 pips on GBP JPY, and it's still on profit. So this is what happened, guys. This is my analysis. I'll take this to the 4-hour time frame so you can see this clearly. So guys, I would really advise you to at least have a currency pair account. You can use any of the recommended broker. The link is at the description below. Just click on the link and create an account with either OctaFS or FBS. The link is at the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because we're going to be taking you through this forex journey for it. Okay, GBP JPY. This is the trade I took. You can see my entry right here, and I took about 100 pips out of this trade this morning, and I'm still waiting for a retracement to take out more profit to enter the trade again. Yeah, so this is my analysis. It's actually, I'm gonna swing this trade targeting about 500 pips. You can see almost 500 pips for this trade. Okay, so this is actually what I'm expecting for GJ, that is the GBPJPY. What I'm expecting for GBPJPY is that GBPJPY is going to move all through the way from this top to at least this support level. So if it's able to break through this support zone right here, we'll be expecting it to hit the final take profit, which is at this tip right here. So that's just what my analysis states. If I go through the daily time frame, guys, you will see that this is the same moves. You can see all the time frame are giving us the same direction. Look at it from the daily time frame. You can see similar moves right here, like this, and we're expecting the same right here. That's just it, with a stop loss in case it doesn't go that way. That's just as simply as how Forex is, how you can trade them and be profitable in it. Exactly. So if you want to learn this price action like really well, all you need, guys, I recommended you use baby pips, like I always say, and from the baby pips you're able to understand the basics, which are the trend lines, the support and resistance level, understanding break and bounce, just those things you just get to know them. And adding, if you just prefer trading only synthetic indices, when you add your knowledge on price action, you'll be able to be more profitable trading synthetic indices as well. So guys, go to baby pips and start a course there and start learning Forex for free. It's totally free. Exactly. So then make sure you subscribe to this channel, Forex Success. We'll have a link at the description below in case you want to create an account to trade synthetic indices, currency pairs. Right there, you can get everything there for free. I'm gonna be showing you a broker that you can trade currency without depositing a dime. Yeah, without depositing a dime, you will be given a certain amount of money to trade for free. Yeah, I'm gonna be revealing that broker to you just on the next video. So thank you for watching, guys.